Hello, pizza lovers. Today we're diving into the art of making a mouth-watering homemade pizza from scratch. From kneading the dough to adding your favorite toppings, I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. Step 1. Make the pizza dough. Begin by preparing your pizza dough. Combine 500 grams of flour with a packet of dry yeast, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Gradually add 300 milliliters of warm water, kneading until the dough is elastic and smooth. Let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours until it doubles in size. Step 2. Prepare the sauce. While the dough rises, let's whip up the sauce. Heat some oil in a pan and sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant. Add 400 grams of tomato puree, a teaspoon of oregano, and a teaspoon of basil. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Step 3. Roll out the dough. Once your dough has risen, roll it out on a floured surface to your desired thickness. If you fancy a crispy crust, keep it thin. Step 4. Add the toppings. It's topping time. Spread an even layer of tomato sauce over the dough. Sprinkle generously with mozzarella cheese, then pile on your favorite toppings like pepperoni, mushrooms, bell peppers, or olives. Feel free to get creative. Step 5. Bake the pizza. Preheat your oven to 20 degrees. Place your pizza on a baking sheet or pizza stone and bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Allow the pizza to cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. And there you have it, a delicious homemade pizza, perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and share your favorite toppings in the comments. Thanks for joining me on this pizza-making journey, and enjoy your slice of homemade heaven.